Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In this section, I'll show you how to build sentences in Balochi using this, that, he, she, his, her, was. And in creating this video, we shall use Lemmy as our example because he's a legend after all. So let us begin. This is Lemmy. This is Lemmy. Yeah, Lemmy, and yeah, Lemmy, and this is Lemmy. Yeah means this. As you can see, the order of the sentence changes in Balochi, and that is because in Balochi we tend to place is at the end of a full sentence. In fact, in Balochi grammar, we tend to find the verbs at the end before a full stop. Lemmy is a musician. Musician means sazger in Balochi. So, musician, sazger, sazger, sazger. Lemmy is a great musician. Lemmy is a great musician. Lemmy duhiye sazgiriye ent. Lemmy duhiye sazgiriye ent. Lemmy is a great musician. We have the word duh here. It means large, big, or great. Of course, in this context, duh means great. And what we often do with adjectives in Balochi is that we attach en when we are describing someone or something. So, duh becomes duhiye. Now let's do something in past tense. Lemmy was a great musician. Lemmy was a great musician. Lemmy duhiye sazgiriye at. Lemmy duhiye sazger ye at. So at means was. He is a great musician. He is a great musician. A duhiye sazgiriye ent. A duhiye sazger ye ent. He is a great musician. Another beautiful factor about Balochi language is that there are no gender-specific pronouns. We only have to use a when we are referring to he, she, or that. So, he is a great musician. A duhiye sazgiriye ent. She is a great musician. A duhiye sazgiriye ent. That is a great musician. A duhiye sazgiriye ent. His band is Motorhead. His band is Motorhead. Aye band Motorhead ent. Aye band Motorhead ent. So aye means his or her. Very simple. If you're serious about learning or improving your Balochi or even English, then feel free to download the free guidebook below this video.